Hi friends, what's up? This is Arcade from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to use green screen effect in iMovie on Mac. If you need a top-notch video editor with all the basic tools and without having to sell out any bucks, iMovie is for you. One of my favorite features in this noted video editing app is the green screen effect, also known as the blue screen effect. You can get the most out of this tool to record a video in front of a green or blue backdrop and place it over another video, thereby creating an eye-catching effect. That said, let me show you how to create green screen effect using iMovie on Mac. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First and foremost, you should know that if the subject of your video is green or is spotting green, make sure to record it in front of a blue background. And if the subject of your video has a blue backdrop, be sure to record it in front of a green background. To get it started, open the iMovie app on your Mac. Now choose a clip or range in the timeline that you have recorded against a green or blue backdrop. Then drag it above a clip in your project. When the green add icon button appears, release the mouse button. Next up, click on the video overlay settings icon, just in case the video overlay controls don't appear. Then click on the pop-up menu on the left and select green blue screen. Now iMovie will instantly remove the green-blue backdrop of the clip and the video below will show through the areas that were green or blue, thereby making a nice composite image. Keep in mind that if the frame below the playhead isn't in sync with the rest of the clip, you might have to reposition the playhead and reapply the effect. In order to reposition the green screen or blue screen clip, just drag it to a different spot within the clip or to another clip. Besides, you can also shorten or lengthen it by dragging the ends. If you are ready to apply the changes, make sure to click on the Apply button in the green-blue screen controls and you are pretty much done. It is worth pointing out that you can also customize the green screen effects so that it looks perfectly in line with your test. To do so, open the iMovie app on your Mac, then choose a green screen or blue screen clip in the timeline. After that, click on the video overlay settings icon. To adjust the softness of the edges of the superimposed clip, simply drag the softness slider. And to isolate areas of the green screen or blue screen clip, simply click the crop button. After that, drag the corners of the frame to isolate the subject in the foreground clip. And to clean up areas of the green screen or blue screen clip, simply click the cleanup button. Then you have to drag across stray parts of the green screen clip. Note that whenever you drag, iMovie uses the new selection to figure out what should be cleaned up. And when you are happy with your video, make sure to click the Apply button in the green-blue screen controls to finish. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can use green screen effect in iMovie on your Mac. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to create eye-catching videos to share on your social networking sites or to upload on your YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.